Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will talk about how to fix MetaMask transaction problem. To be more clear, I had two problems and I found solutions for these problems, but I will first repeat, if you don't already know, about MetaMask shortly. That means MetaMask is Ethereum smart contract wallet. You can execute smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain, and also this wallet have Ethereum tokens support. That means, for example, some tokens are not supported yet inside hardware wallet. I use Ledger Nano S hardware wallet to be 100% safe from hackers. Of course, there is no 100% safe, but it is almost 100% safe if you follow some things. You can find inside my blog more information. And of course, I will talk how to resolve, how to fix every problem. That means how to fix pending transactions inside MetaMask and how to fix Uniswap token sending problem when you receive ledger error message and you are unable to send this token. Maybe this is for other tokens too, but I had this problem only with Uniswap token. Okay, and of course more info you can find inside my blog webtrafficsolution.org. Also there you can find web traffic solutions for your website, affiliate or referral offers, online income opportunities and similar. Okay, let's go. First about MetaMask. Okay, very shortly. That means, for example, this is for Saj. You maybe already heard about this program, the first matrix program that runs on the blockchain, Ethereum blockchain. For example, for registration or just for login, you don't need email, you don't need password. Just choose the option. Now you can see MetaMask wallet will trigger. Okay, you can see I go on authorization and you can see MetaMask wallet add-on will pop up. Because I recording this is a little bit slower, just go to sign and I am in. Okay, that is it. You don't need a password, emails, you don't need nothing. Okay, about this amazing program you can find in my blog, inside my blog you can see review. Also about MetaMask, how it works with smart contracts, you can also find inside my blog. Okay, now let's go. This is about smart contract. Okay, about tokens. Just a few seconds. I will show you how you can add token. Okay, a very easy way. Okay, you can find tokens in Google for a search, and for example, you are in finance. You can search for contract address. You can see contract address. Click to copy, and now go to wallet. You can find this extension inside the Google Chrome store. Okay, I have inside my blog more details, but right now I will not repeat this because of too much time. Okay, now you can see option add token. Okay, I have already some tokens. Add token, custom token. Here you copy paste address wallet recognize token. Next, add tokens, and here we go. Token is here. This is great wallet because some tokens are not supported yet inside hardware wallets, and this is the best way to store tokens. Also, you can see that this MetaMask wallet have option to connect hardware wallet, and you can secure your crypto. Okay, you can secure your crypto. You can see that I have different accounts. Okay, this account, the last one, is protected with hardware wallet. Okay, I didn't know when I start with using this wallet that is option to secure with hardware wallet, and you can see normal accounts and the special one with hardware wallet connected. Okay, now let's go to fix our problems. How to fix pending transactions. Okay, pending transactions you can see inside my wallet. For example, I can go here and activity, and you can see this swap from Ethereum to other token was created. You can see date and month, and then I submitted again. I don't know what is going on, but 1 month has already passed and transaction was not proceed yet, and then I cancel it because if you have submitted one transaction and until transaction is not finished, you will not able to make any other transaction with your MetaMask wallet. Okay, that means you are in big problem. You can't send your crypto asset anywhere until the previous one transaction is finished. Okay, now how to do that? Sometimes MetaMask will give you offer to about sending fees. Okay, and you can choose the middle one, but this is the not right choice because there is sometimes some mistakes inside MetaMask, and it is better to manually to see on the Ethereum blockchain which fee you need to set up. Okay, but there is solution for these things. Okay, you need to go. You can see for every transaction there is here nonce number. Okay, first you need to go to settings, advanced, and you need customize transaction nonce. This is not enabled by default. You need to enable this thing. Okay, you need to enable this thing. Okay, that means this is not important, nothing, but customized transaction nonce should be enabled. If you don't have enabled, enable this option. When you enable this option, what you need to do, if your transaction is stuck, not proceed yet, you need to find which number nonce have. Okay, every transaction will have different nonce number, and you need to repeat transaction. You can enter only 0 Ethereum, okay, amount 0, you will pay only fee, but you need to enter the same nodes. For example, if I was sent half Ethereum and my transaction not proceed yet, is stuck, okay, then you need to enter this number and send 0 in Ethereum, okay, 0 Ethereum, and you will only pay transaction fee, and you will fix this problem and you will be able to send next transaction. Okay, that is it. Not very complicated, but you need to know this. Okay, this number will save your time and money, I mean crypto asset. Okay, that means enable nonce option and then send transaction with 0 amount with the same nonce number from transaction that is not proceed, that is in pending status, and that is it. Okay, let's go to next problem. The next problem, how to fix Uniswap token sending problem, ledger error. Okay, now I will show you picture. This is picture screenshot from failed transaction. You can see failed, and this is about option that you need to set up inside ledger wallet. Okay, when I wanted to send Uniswap token, I was enabled. All the time I received some ledger errors inside my notification center and message that transaction was not proceed. Okay, I was very worried that something gets wrong with my ledger, but this is not true. To be able to send Uniswap token or some similar token, I don't know. I had this problem only with Uniswap token sending. You need to go inside Ethereum app inside the ledger and go to settings and check contract data option. Usually by default have not allowed option, and you need to change it to allowed option. When you have changed to allowed option, you will be able to send Uniswap token, and that is it. That is it. More information, of course, you can find inside my blog webtrafficsolution.org. I have here useful information about crypto, but also about web traffic solutions. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in some next video. Okay, bye.